morning students, business maths. Today topic is some special types of integrals. To evaluate the integrals of the form number 1, integral dx divided by secondary equation ax square plus bx plus c. Number 2, integral dx divided by square root of secondary equation ax square plus bx plus c. Third form, integral square root of the secondary equation ax square plus bx plus c into dx. There are three types. One is dx divided by ax square plus bx plus c. Second one is integral dx divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Third one is integral square root of ax square plus bx plus c into dx. These are the special types of integrals. Now we are going to take ex number, sum number 1. Integrate the following. Integrate the following. Sum number 1, 1 divided by 9 minus 16 x square. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by 9 minus 16 x square. Now take 16 outside the integral. Integral dx divided by 16 bracket 9 divided by 16 minus x square. 9 divided by 16 minus x square. This means 1 by 16 integral dx divided by 3 divided by 4 whole square minus x square. This is 1 divided by some constant integral dx divided by a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Integral dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Taking modulus. Modulus means suppose the answer is negative, we have to take positive plus integral constant c. Integral constant c, we have to use integral constant c. The limits are not given. Suppose upper and lower limits are given, then we cannot take c1. Right? Now I becomes 1 by 2 into here 1 by 16 into 1 divided by 2 into a is 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4 log of a plus x. 3 by 4 plus x divided by 3 by 4 minus x plus c. Now 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16 is equal to 1 divided by 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 log 3 by 4 plus x divided by 3 by 4 minus x plus c. Taking LCM, we have 1 by 24 log 3 plus 4x divided by 4 divided by 3 minus 4x divided by 4 plus c is equal to 1 by 24 log 4 cancel. Modulus of 3 plus 4x divided by 3 minus 4x plus c, integral constant c. Hence integral dx divided by 9 minus 16x square is equal to 1 by 24 log 3 plus 4x divided by 3 minus 4x plus c. Hence the result. Sum number 2. Integrate 1 divided by 9 minus 8x minus x square. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by 9 minus 8x minus x square. The order is reversal. Constant first degree and then second degree. We want to find ax square plus bx plus c are the form. So higher degree is first. Integral dx divided by, taking minus 1 is common, x square plus 8x minus 9. Now minus is common. Minus 1 is constant outside the integral. Dx divided by x square plus 8x minus 9. X term is coefficient of x term is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 square adding, 4 square subtracting. We get minus dx divided by x square plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 minus 9. Add 16, subtract 16. There is no changes from the previous line. Minus integral dx divided by, take first 3 terms, x square plus 8x plus 16 is x plus 4 whole square. Minus 16 minus 9 is minus 25. Minus 25 means minus 5 square. This can be written as x plus 4 whole square minus 5 square. This is of the form integral dx divided by x square minus a square model. X square minus a square model, but negative sign in front of negative sign. This can be written as integral dx divided by a square minus x square. This minus 1 multiplied by the denominator. So integral dx divided by 5 square minus x plus 4 whole square. 5 square x plus 4 whole square. Now this integral dx divided by a square minus x square is equal to formula 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x modulus plus c. So using this formula we get 1 by 2a, 2 into 5 log of a plus x, 5 plus x plus 4, 5 x plus a 4 divided by 5 minus x plus a 4 plus c. Okay, now 1 by 10 log of here 9 plus x, 5 minus x minus 4 is 1 minus x plus c. Hence integral dx divided by 9 minus 8x minus x square is equal to 1 by 10 log 9 plus x divided by 1 minus x plus c. Question number 3. Type number 1. Sum number 3. Type number 2. T2. Integrate 2x square minus 9. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by 2x square minus 9 is equal to integral dx divided by taking 2 as common denominator 2 bracket x square minus 9 divided by 2. 1 by 2 is a common number constant outside the integral. 1 by 2 integral dx divided by x square minus 3 divided by root 2 whole square. In this case integral dx divided by x square minus a square format. Integral dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. This is formula. Using this formula we get answer. So I becomes 1 by 2 integral 1 by 2 divided by x square minus 3 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. A is 3 divided by root 2. 2 3 divided by root 2. 1 divided by 2 by 3. 1 by 2 into 2a into 1 by 2 a is 3 divided by root 2. Okay, log of x minus 3 divided by root 2 divided by x plus 3 divided by root 2 plus c. Now 1 divided by 2 into this 2 is root 2 into root 2 into 3 divided by root 2 log of taking LCM root 2x minus 3 divided by root 2x plus 3 plus c. Now this can be written as 2 3s are 6 2 3s are 6 6 root 2 6 root 2 into log of root x minus 3 divided by root x plus 3 plus integral constant c. Hence integral dx divided by 2x square minus 9 is equal to 1 by 6 root 2 log of root 2x minus 3 divided by root 2x plus 3 plus c. Question number 4. Integrate 1 divided by x square minus x minus 2. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by x square minus x minus 2 is equal to integral dx divided by x square. This cannot be split into two factors. Therefore, coefficient of x term is minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 1 by 2. minus 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, adding minus 1 by 4 subtracting. So minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 2. This cannot be, the denominator secondary equation cannot be split into two factors. Therefore we have to change this way using the coefficient of x term. Coefficient of x term is minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Squaring we get 1 by 4, adding 1 by 4, subtracting 1 by 4. There is no change from this. So integral dx divided by x minus 1 by 2 whole square, x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Here 8 9 minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 2. A is 3 by 2. A is 3 by 2. 1 by 2a log a x minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by x plus x minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. The previous formula 1 by 2a log a x minus a divided by x plus a plus integral constant c. 2 to cancel, 1 by 3 log a x minus 4 divided by 2 is 2 divided by minus of a plus 1 and half a, so plus 1 x plus 1 plus c. Hence integral dx divided by x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 log x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 plus c. Next question number 5. Integrate 1 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. This means this cannot be, the denominator cannot be split into two factors. Therefore dx divided by x square, coefficient of x term is 3. 3 divided by 2, squaring 3 divided by 2, 9 by 4, adding 9 by 4, subtracting 9 by 4, there is no change. So plus 3 by 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 2 is equal to dx divided by, take first 3 terms, x square plus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Now take LCM, plus 8 minus 1 by 4, so minus 1 by 2 whole square. The last two terms, taking LCM, minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1 by 4a, minus 1 by 4 can be written in the form of minus 1 by 2 whole square, minus 1 by 2 whole square. Next 3 terms, integral dx divided by x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is of the form integral dx divided by x square minus a square format. Formula is 1 by 2a x minus a divided by log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus integral constant c. 1 by 2 into a. A is 1 by 2a. 1 by 2a log of x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 x minus a divided by x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 taking modulus plus c. Now this and this are cancelled. 2x plus 2 divided by 2x plus 4. Now numerator common number is 2, denominator common number is 2. Taking 2 outside, denominator outside, cancelling we get log x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus integral constant c. Hence integral dx divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to log of modulus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. Now integrate 1 divided by 2x square plus 6x minus 8. Let I is equal to integral dx divided by 2x square plus 6x minus 8 is equal to integral dx divided by denominator 2 is a common number, 2 into x square plus 3x minus 4 1 by 2 is a constant number outside the integral. Then dx divided by x square plus 3x minus 4. Now the denominator cannot be split into two linear factors. Therefore coefficient of x term is 3. By 2 means 3 by 2. Squaring 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 9 by 4. Adding 9 by 4, subtracting 9 by 4. There is no changes from the previous one. So integral dx divided by x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 4. Take first 3 terms, 1 by 2 integral dx divided by, this is 3 by 2 whole square. Therefore x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Next 2 terms taking LCM, minus 9 minus 16 minus 25 minus 25 divided by minus 25 divided by 4. Now 1 by 2 integral dx divided by x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 integral dx divided by x square minus a square format. 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 log of x minus c. X plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 divided by x plus 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Taking LCM, we have this and this are cancelled. So 1 divided by 2 5s are 10 log a, taking LCM 2x, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 divided by 2 whole divided by 3x 2x plus 8 by 2 by 2 cancelled, we get 2x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 8. Now numerator 2 is common, denominator 2 is common, cancelling we get 1 by 10 log of x minus 1 divided by x plus 4 plus c. Hence integral dx divided by 2x square plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 1 by 10 log of modulus x minus 1 divided by x plus 4 plus c. Integrate e to the power of x divided by e to the power of 2x minus 9, that is equal to integral e to the power of x divided by e to the power of x whole square minus 3 square into dx. This is how the form integral dx divided by e to the power of x whole square minus x square minus a square format. Now put e to the power of x is equal to t. Different left hand side variable is x, right hand side variable is t. So differentiate x with respect to x. We have e to the power of differentiate x with respect to right hand side t. So e to the power of x dx is equal to dt. Now e to the power of x dx is equal to dt. Therefore I becomes I is equal to integral dt divided by t square minus 3 square. This is how the form dx divided by x square minus a square format. Okay. Now using the formula 1 by 2a log a 1 by 2a log a x minus a divided by x plus a 1 by 2 a is 3 log of t minus 3 divided by t plus 3 plus 1 by 6 log of t is e to the power of x. So e to the power of x minus 3 divided by e to the power of x plus 3 plus c. Integral e to the power of x divided by e to the power of 2x minus 9 into dx is equal to 1 by 6 log a e to the power of x minus 3 e to the power of x minus 3 divided by e to the power of x plus 3 plus integral constant c. Hence the result. Next is sum number 8. Sum type number 3. Sum number 8. Integrate 1 divided by 9x square minus 7. 9x square minus 7 square root of. So let I is equal to integral dx divided by root of 9x square minus 7. Now 9 is common, therefore integral dx divided by square root of 9 x square minus 7 by 9. This can be written as 1 by 3 integral dx divided by x square minus root 7 divided by 3 whole square. This is how the form integral dx divided by x square minus a square formula. Integral dx divided by root of x square minus a square is equal to log of modulus of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Using the formula we have, I becomes 1 by 3 log of x plus square root of x square minus a square is 7 by 9 plus c is equal to 1 by 3 log x plus, taking LCM, square root of 9x square minus 7 divided by 3 plus c, taking LCM, 1 by 3 log of 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 7 whole divided by 3 plus c. Only one note is here, notice on the your example book, m log x plus or minus k is equal to very big C. So divided by 3 is a constant number. Log a by b means log a minus log b, log a minus log b. Log b is a constant number. Log 2 is a constant number 0.3101. So the constant must be taken as k, then it is a very big another constant c. So the divided by 3 goes to this side. Okay, hence very important concept, the denominator divided by 3 goes to right hand side using this note. Hence integral dx divided by 9x square minus 7 square root of is equal to 1 by 3 log 3x plus square root of 9x square minus 7 plus c, different c from the previous one. 1 divided by, integrate 1 divided by square root of x square plus 6x plus 13 integral, let I is equal to integral dx divided by square root of x square plus 6x plus 13. Now this can be written as integral dx divided by square root of x square. This cannot be split into two factors. Therefore coefficient of x term is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 square is 9. Add 9, subtract 9. There is no change from the previous one. So plus 6x plus 9 minus 9 plus 13 plus 13 is equal to integral dx divided by square root of, take first 3 terms, x plus 3 whole square. Next 13 minus 9 is 4, so plus 4 4 is 2 square. x square plus a square format. The formula integral dx divided by x square plus a square square root of is equal to log of modulus x plus square root of x square plus a square plus integral constant c. Here a is 2, x is x plus 3. Therefore I becomes log of x is x plus 3 plus square root of x plus 3 whole square plus 4 plus c. This means expanding the original one. Therefore log of x plus 3 plus x square plus 6x plus 13, these two are same, plus c. Hence integral dx divided by x square plus 6x plus 13 square root of is equal to log of modulus x plus 3 plus square root of x square plus 6x plus 13 plus integral constant c. Hence the result. Sum number 13. Integrate square root of x square minus 2. Let I is equal to integral square root of x square minus 2 into dx. This can be written as integral square root of x square minus root 2 whole square into dx. Now square root of x square minus a square into dx model. So the formula is integral square root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to x by 2 square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. Now I becomes first x a is root 2, a is square root of x square minus a square is root 2 whole square is 2 minus a square is 2, formula 2 divided by 2 log x plus square root of x square minus 2 plus c. These two twos are cancelled. Root of x square minus 2 minus log of this. Hence integral x square minus 2 into dx is equal to x divided by 2 square root of x square minus 2 minus log of x plus square root of x square minus 2 plus c. Question number: integrate square root of 4x square minus 5. Let I is equal to integral 4x square minus 5, square root of 4x square minus 5 into dx. 4 is common, integral square root of 4x square minus 5 divided by 4 into dx. Now this can be written as 2, square root of 4 is 2, therefore 2 is outside the integral. Square root of x square minus root 5 divided by 2 whole square into dx. A square minus a square by 2 log of modulus x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c form becomes 2 into bracket x by 2 square root of x square minus a square is x square minus 5 by 4 minus a square is root 5 whole square is 5 divided by 4 into 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus 5 by 4 plus integral constant c. Now there is no cancellation, hence integral 4x square minus 5 square root into dx is equal to 2 into x by 2 square root of x square minus 5 by 4 minus 5 divided by 8 log of x plus square root of x square minus 5 by 4 plus integral constant c. Ex number 2.7, sum number 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 and 16. There are 4 types. Identify the types of the problem and then using the exercise problem we get answer. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.